Let me show you the functions of this job manager. So from here, you can click on new job form. This will open a job form where you can now enter job details. So here, there are three options. You can start a job by loading a job that you earlier saved, or loading a job that is saved as template, and load blank. So let me try with load blank. So you can put a job name here like birthday of John. Then we can select a date, description, or schedule. We are celebrating on 18th of September, like that. Now there are products like these are here. So let me add decorations. Click add. So you can see here uh, the pre-defined product details are loaded. From here, if I want to add some, sections, I can add like banners. Can click add. So this is the banner section added. In the banner, I can add like right, other thing like stage lights. Click add, and I can modify all of those, banner. Uh, I can add another section which I can make, like say banner one, and this one banner two, and I can add materials for that. You can click on that to expand. So let me add these lights here as well. Here. So this is for deleting. This is for copying. So if I want to copy another similar to this, I can click on that. And yeah, this is for deleting. So in all of the section, material and product, you've got that. This is the minimize. So you can minimize at one go. So after you fill in the details, you can click on save, and it will save the job details. Now, let me show you how to save this job as template so for future use. So you can just put a name like sample birthday, sample birthday. Yeah. So this will get saved as sample birthday. Now, let's say you want after some time you open it and you want to modify the job you entered. You click on here, and once it gets loaded, so I can select, say I want to add some items in the birthday of John. So we click on that and click on load. So it loads all the details that we have entered. So we can do any modification here. Like we can modify this banners only, and you can save it. Okay, yeah, it's saying it's already exists, so you can make another one. Okay, so let me show you how to control the product content section and material, and section material, etc. So for that, you just need to click on the table and click on view. So it will open up the product. So you can here enter any product like file number, say testing product, and description here. Similarly, I can add sections, materials, uh, materials here. Let me put 7 and testing materials. So I can put all of those same. Sorry, stock is not needed. Let me delete this. Okay, so I can change it to like 600 watt. Okay, so yep. Similarly, I can view the mapping of section material. So basically, here you can map a section to material, say lights to material name, let's say a testing material, like that. And you can click on home button to go back to the home. It will hide every sheets. And same here, we can click on product section and you can uh, so we can map the product to say testing product to any other section selecting. So now I can change the tables here after changing table. Let's see how it looks here. So let me load a blank one, and from here you can see testing product. If I click on add product, yeah, it will show you the lightning. And in the lightning we also map testing material and a speaker as well. If you remember, we put 600 watt, right? So that comes up here. And now all you have entered the details. Now you can view the reports. You can access the reports from here as well, or otherwise you select that and click on view. So let me show you the material report. So this one, let's say we can click on that also. So here we can set different date range and different job filter. Multiple job filter can be selected. Jobs can be selected here. Then click on this icon. This will basically show you here. So you can check this, and check this. Once you check this, coloring is gone now. You can also put comment. So purchased on 29th August. So now you can save these details by clicking on save. So you can, let's say, load again to see if it works. So when I run it, I can see the data of John and you can see the comments here. You have all the filtering and sorting option in all the columns, and you can see the totals here are also updated. Right now, let me show you how to export it. So I have added 3 buttons here, PDF. Just click on it. It will print out the PDF for you. I mean, it will export it. So you can see here, this is the PDF, and you can do a CSV as well or Excel as well. Oh, I need to add the function here. Okay, so let me move to the bill report. So here also you can select like birth of John, and you can click on load. So you can see here two jobs are loaded. You can click here like this, this, and you can say here like build and save it. Okay, let's save the. Now we can do the similar, like you can export it to Excel. Yep. You can see it downloaded as an Excel sheet here. Mm. If I enable editing, I can do everything. Will content, yep, like that. So, yep, that's it for now. Just try it and let me know.